Eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious korma karahi that's big on flavor and easy on the wallet. Let's kick things off. Heat half a cup of oil in your pan. Introduce 2 chopped onions and fry until they turn golden brown. Once done, remove the fried onions and place them on a paper towel to drain excess oil. Keep them aside for later. Now, in the same oil, add 1 kilogram of chicken and fry on high heat until it changes its color to a beautiful golden hue. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic to the chicken. Toss in 2 to 3 chopped green chilies and cook everything together for 2 to 3 minutes to release the flavors. Season with salt to taste. Then add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and a pinch of Nigella seeds. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices coat the chicken evenly. Add a pinch of red food color for that vibrant hue. Give it another good stir to combine everything. Pour in half a glass of water to prevent the mixture from drying out. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer on low flame for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Finally, stir in half a cup of yogurt for added richness. Now, add the fried onions you set aside earlier to the chicken. Mix everything thoroughly. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and well cooked. Once done, garnish with fresh green coriander and sliced green chilies for a burst of color and flavor. Your delicious chicken korma karahi is ready to serve. Pair it with naan or rice for a perfect meal. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this budget-friendly and flavorful chicken korma karahi. Have a wonderful day.